Welcome to your new home. This newly renovated two-bedroom apartment on Joyce Road has everything you need for a comfortable and modern lifestyle. Partially air-conditioned and located in a secure, gated community, this apartment is ideal for anyone looking for convenience and peace of mind. Enjoy spacious bedrooms, a well-designed kitchen and living area, an indoor laundry space, and parking for one vehicle. Plus, you'll be just minutes from local shops and shopping centers' transports. Real estate executive Corrie Toppin invites you to reach out on WhatsApp at 7910717 to schedule a viewing. Experience the comfort and security this Joyce Road apartment has to offer. Click the link to learn more and start your journey to finding the perfect place to call home.